I get started, can I please have you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will get my latest videos when they come out? Today, I want to talk about the biodiversity of critters you will find in the Philippines. A hotspot for biodiversity, the Philippines is home to a staggering array of animals. A vast variety of wildlife can be found in the nation due to its unique tropical climate, long coastlines, mountainous terrain, and diverse ecosystems, which include coral reefs and rainforests. The kinds of animals you could see in the Philippines are thoroughly explored here, encompassing everything from insects to mammals, amphibians, reptiles, and marine life. Interestingly, a sizable percentage of these species are endemic, which means they are unique to the Philippines. Number one, endangered and endemic species. Because of the Philippines' distinctive topography, a high percentage of endemism species that are exclusive to this region has been observed worldwide, but this also means that they are more susceptible to extinction. Philippines eagle. As previously noted, there are only a few hundred Philippine eagles left in the wild, making them extremely endangered. Tamaraw. Native to the island of Mindanao, the Tamaraw or Babalus Rensis is a small endemic buffalo. Its habitat is being lost, and hunting is making it severely endangered. Crocodile of the Philippines. Only found in the country's freshwater rivers and lakes, the crocodile of the Philippines, or Crocodilus mindorensis, is extremely endangered. This species is much smaller and less aggressive than its saltwater relative. Number two, marine life. Because of its location within the Coral Triangle, the Philippines has some of the richest marine biodiversity in the world. Sea snakes. In the coastal waters of the Philippines, one can frequently spot the banded sea crate or Laticada colubrina. Despite their extreme venom, they rarely act aggressively toward people. Dugongs. The manatee and the dugong or dugong are closely related marine mammals. They are mostly found in the waters surrounding Palawan and are distinguished by their graceful, slow movements and diet of seagrass. Whale sharks. Encounters with whale sharks or Rhincodon typus are common in the waters of Dunsol and Oslov, the world's largest fish. These gentle giants are renowned for their docile disposition, frequently allowing snorkelers and divers to swim alongside them. Coral reefs. Home to thousands of different species of fish, corals, and invertebrates, the coral reefs of the Philippines are teeming with life. Famous species include the parrotfish, which is known for its vivid colors and function in preserving the health of coral reefs, and the clownfish, which is frequently observed living among the sea anemones tentacles. Number three, mammals. Mammals of all kinds can be found in the Philippines, with the rainforests of the archipelago housing a large number of them. Bats. A number of bat species can be found in the Philippines, with the largest being the giant golden crown flying fox, or Acirodon jubatus, which has a wingspan of up to 1.7 meters. These fruit bats are essential to the spread of seeds and pollination. Civets. Paradoxurus hermaphroditus, commonly known as the Asian palm civet, is a nocturnal mammal that is typically found in forests and agricultural areas. These creatures are well known for helping to produce kopi luwak, a coffee made from beans that civets have eaten and discarded. Philippine deer, only found on the islands of Panay and Negros. The Philippine spotted deer, Rusa alfredi, is an endangered species of deer. It is recognized by its small stature and characteristics white dots. Tarsiers, known for its huge eyes and nocturnal lifestyle, the Philippine tarsier or Palito siricta is one of the smallest primates in the world. Bohol, Leyte, and Mindanao's forests are home to them. Number 4, birds. The diversity of bird species in the Philippines, many of which are endemic, will excite birdwatchers. Parrots. The red-vented cockatoo, or Philippine cockatoo, Cacatois imatoropagia, is a native of Palawan and an endangered species. The white feathers and red undertails of these intelligent birds are well-known features. Kingfishers, easily identified by its bright blue plumage and white collar, the collar's kingfisher, or Todorhamphus chloris, is a common sight along rivers and coastal areas. They are skilled fishermen who frequently jump into the water to capture food. Hornbills. There are various hornbill species in the nation, such as the Visayan hornbill or Penelopides peneni, which is distinguished by its eye-catching black and white plumage and large, curved bill. Because they aid in seed dispersal, these birds are essential to the regeneration of forests. Philippine eagle, also referred to as the monkey-eating eagle, the Philippine eagle, or Piticophaga jeffrey, is arguably the most famous bird in the Philippines. Nestled only in the forests of Mindanao, Luzon, Leyte, and Samar, this is one of the world's largest and most powerful raptors, and it is critically endangered. Number 5, amphibians. A vast variety of amphibians, many of which are endemic, found nowhere else in the world, can be found in the Philippines. Tree frogs. The green tree frog, or Rhacophorus pardalis, is frequently observed clinging to trees or hanging out by bodies of water in rainforests. These frogs are well known for their webbed feet, which they use to glide from tree to tree. Frogs. The Philippines is home to a variety of unusual frog species, including the Megaphryst stejnigeri, or Philippine horned frog. This species is well known for having a leaf-like appearance that helped it blend in perfectly with the forest floor. Philippine toads. The Philippine archipelago is home to a variety of toad species such as the Ingerophrynus philippinicus, or Philippine forest toad, which is typically found in lowland forests and agricultural areas. The Philippines. Number 6, reptiles. The Philippines is home to many different species of reptiles, some of which are exclusive to the archipelago. Marine turtles. The shorelines of the Philippines are crucial nesting grounds for sea turtles, particularly the green sea turtle and the severely endangered oxbill turtle. In the waters surrounding Palawan and the Turtles Island, one can frequently spot these kind of animals. Geckos. Another well-known reptile in the Tukey gecko, or gecko, which can be easily identified by its brightly colored skins and loud cracking call. It is regarded in many Filipino homes as a lucky charm. Monitor lizards. Varanus marmoratus also called the Philippine water monitor, is the largest species of lizard found in the Philippines, where they hunt for fish, birds, and small mammals. These massive reptiles are frequently spotted close to rivers and mangroves. Philippine crowbar. The venomous Philippine crowbar, or Naja philippinensis, which lives in the lowlands and forested areas, is one of the most well-known reptiles. Its strong neurotoxin venom is its most well-known characteristics. Arachnids and insects. The Philippines' tropical climate makes it home to an abundance of insects and arachnids. Those that are most typical are ants. There are many different kinds of ants in the Philippines, such as the fire ants, which is notorious for its painful sting, and the weaver ants, which is well known for its amazing leaf nest. Spiders. In the Philippines, weaver spiders are widespread. Although they do not pose a threat to humans, they do weave beautiful webs that are visible in forests and gardens. Beetles. The rhinoceros beetle is among the most interesting beetles that can be found in the Philippines. Males are recognized for their projection that resemble horns, which they use to intimidate potential partners during combat. Butterflies. More than 900 species of butterflies can be found in the Philippines, notably the stunning Troides mangallanos, popularly known as the Mangalan birdwing. This large butterfly is found in forested areas. It has striking black and yellow wings. Status of conservation. Even with the abundance of biodiversity, many species are in danger of going extinct. Threats include illegal hunting, habitat destruction, and climate change, which has raised awareness of conservation. Using legislation and habitat restoration, government agencies and non-governmental organizations actively fight to save endangered species. In addition, local communities are actively involved in conservation initiatives, realizing the connection between the well-being of natural resources and human livelihoods. In summary, the Philippines is home to an astounding variety of creatures, from the smallest insects to the biggest marine mammals, making it a veritable goldmine of biodiversity. However, habitat loss, climate change, and human activity are putting many of these species in danger. The Philippines' rich natural heritage must be preserved if future generations are to continue to be astounded by the astounding diversity of life that exists within this special archipelago. All right, folks, that is all for today. And hopefully, you enjoy the show. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can get more of my videos when they come out. And goodbye.